Valuation roll update is done on a 5-year interval. However, with funding constraints, it was never reviewed. It is a requirement under the Valuation Act 1967 for an authority like NCDC to review land tax tariffs and come up with new affordable land tax for landowners or people who have a land title. The current land tax tariffs are 3.5% for commercial and 2.3% for residential properties of the improved capital value. However, with the current rating, they account a total of unimproved value of 681 million kina.
And then we revalue every land within the NCDC area, where each parcel of land is placed a value for the rate authorities like NCDC to collect the rates and taxes, and for the lands department to collect annual grant rent for title holders.
NCD has a total of 25,000 registered land plots. Only 19,000 are active. This made them to combine their records with the lands department.
Such as NCDC can use revenue collected from those rounds and in turn provide important services to our people. And the city is growing at a very fast pace, and therefore it's important that we keep the rolls updated so that revenues that are due to the city are collected on a timely basis and services are delivered.
NCDC has been using the valuation rollout back in 1992 for their land rate purposes. In the past, they offset the loss of low values with higher tariffs. Now, with the current market value of NCD properties, Governor Powes Phakop assured NCD landowners that the increase is estimated to be significant. Meanwhile, Phakop said that since NCDC does not get the PSIP funds, their main revenue comes from goods and services tax and the land rate tariffs.
Up to now, we collect nearly 8 million from the land rates with this 2% or 3% on the value of the properties that we have. But not all the properties too are within the valuation, zone. A lot of people live in the settlements, about 40% of our population, and also in the villages. They expect us to provide services too. They want water, they want electricity, they want their rubbish collected. But guess what? They don't pay the land rates, but they still want services.
NCDC will be reviewing its current tax tariffs against the new valuation roll to ensure that land tax is affordable for everyone. It will be captured in the 2015 amendments and will be effective in 2016. A similar exercise will also be carried out in Morobe Province. Vasina Tayama, National MTV News.